Here we are today. We are in Ganges Harbour and we are between the Three Sisters Islands, and we are going to do some droning. As many of you know, I bought a drone about 5 years ago, the DJI, the Mini Pro 3, and I loved it and I got really good at it. And then I guess I got too ballsy and I pushed it too far and it hit a VHF antenna and it sank to the bottom of the ocean. So I had purchased the $40 repair plan, which ended up costing me $300, and the drone has been sitting on my boat ever since. So Dave has been watching some YouTube videos, and I think as his retirement, he might become a drone pilot. So what have you learned from your videos?
Well, I guess we're going to find out, but I'm hoping not to crash. I'm hoping to keep it out of the water and out of the trees. Just practice with, practice makes perfect. So we're going to do baby steps.
All right, here we go. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
We're looking forward to the video. We call you Captain Dave? Pilot Dave?
Well, hopefully my wings don't get clipped early.
Oh dear. Okay, hang on.
Bye.
We are entering in through the Three Sisters Islands, and we're going to head to Chocolate Beach, and I'm going to figure out why it's called that and let you know. Really beautiful here. It's super shallow. It's a super low tide, and it's going to be rising in about half an hour, so that's good. We can take the boat up on the beach. We're close to the beach. It's such a beautiful beach. Look at that. And it looks like we pretty much have it to ourselves today. There's a massive freighter out there, Glovis. We're wondering if maybe it's a glove manufacturer, traveling glove manufacturer. Maybe not. Big glove is. Third Sister Island, a provincial park, is the most visited of the trio and home to the famous Chocolate Beach. Contrary to what you might think, it wasn't named for its sand. It's believed to have been named after the native chocolate lily, Fritillaria camschatcensis, a beautiful wildflower that once grew here in abundance. There is a short half-mile walking trail that circles the complete island, leading through beautiful coastal forests to panoramic viewpoints. Along the way, you'll discover what may be British Columbia's most famous outhouse. Lovingly handcrafted by local island resident Micah Booy, it has become legendary among paddlers for its remarkable woodwork, thoughtful design, and arguably one of the best ocean views of any outhouse in Canada. Whether you're arriving by powerboat, kayak, paddleboard, or dinghy, the Three Sisters offer everything that make boating in the Gulf Islands so special. Protected waters, quiet beaches, beautiful walking trails, abundant wildlife, and incredible scenery. It's proof that some of the most memorable destinations on the West Coast aren't the biggest. They're the ones that you almost cruise right past.